guys, welcome back to my channel. My name is Camilla for those of you that are new here. So in today's video I wanted to show you guys some really cute basket gift ideas that are really inexpensive. I literally got everything that I'm gonna show you guys at Dollar Tree. So literally everything's $1 here. I think majority of the baskets are less than $10 or less than $15. I literally got a present for maybe like 5 people and all under like $50. So this is super good if you guys are trying to save money but also give a good and meaningful gift that somebody's actually gonna use. This does require a little bit of more work, but it is really good if you guys do want to save money. I know that this like year has just been so much for a lot of people and a lot of people don't have that much money to spend, but these gifts are really good for you guys and also for anybody that's just trying to save money and, you know, trying to give at least like a decent present. So to make these baskets look a little bit more high-end, kind of, it should be like cohesive. How do you say that word? It should have a color scheme. There, it should have like a color palette, a color scheme that you want to go for. So this one I'm going for more green. So the first thing that I got is this little cookie container thing. So this is gonna be the basket and you're just gonna put the things on top of it. The next thing that I got are these bath bombs. My sister actually used their bath bombs before and they're really good. So I mean, $1 for 3, not bad. And then some hand sanitizer, and then also a facial massager. I don't know if this actually works. If it does, that's awesome. Like after you wash your face, you can like use it. It tells you how to use it at the back. And then the last thing that is in here is a microfiber hair wrap. I used to use one of these. They're really good. It doesn't leave your hair frizzy, so super good. Mine was getting really old, so I just started using a t-shirt because it started to like get in my hair, like the white fabric in my hair, and it was just so annoying. And then to just end off everything, I'm getting this little ribbon that I also got at Dollar Tree. It just says Believe on it and it's really cute. I also got one that says like Holly Jolly Christmas. But I'm gonna go with this one since it matches the bottom of it. I'm gonna wrap it around here. And then I also have one of these little cute bows. It's also from Dollar Tree and I just stick it right here on the front. And boom. So the next section that I wanted to do is for like guys in your life or anybody that literally has a car. I feel like this gift is perfect for them, and I got literally again everything at the dollar store. So I'm gonna start off with the little container that I got. I got this in the aisle of like the not the food section, but like the kitchen section that they have. So the items that I got is all like car related things. They're all from like the same brand, and I was asking Julio if it's even a good brand, and he said that it is really good. He buys it from Walmart and it's way more than $1. So I was like, I mean, that's a steal. So it is the Armorall. It literally, okay. So the first thing that I got is a protectant, and just to put like on the dashboard. I think your seats as well, if you have like those like leather seats maybe. I don't know. And then I also got an auto glass cleaner. It just looks like this, same brand again. I just don't know, like the color is just messing with me. Like one's blue, one's orange and black. Like I don't know, I think I might like put wrapping paper on like over it to just get it all the same color, because they all are different, and so it was just like annoying me. But then I got also a tire foam to protect the tire and just to keep it clean looking. I don't know. The next thing that I got, it is from a different brand than the rest, but it's called Driver's Choice. I got a new car scent because I mean it smells really good. And then I also got a multi-purpose wipe cleaner thing. And then what I'm gonna do, I'm just gonna put it all in a like the little container. But like I said, the wrapping of it is just messing with me. Like I don't know how to like put it in here to make it look cute. So we're gonna figure this out. What I ended up doing for this basket, since they were all super colorful, I just wrapped it around. I didn't even try, like I just wrapped tissue paper, like the ones that you put in a gift bag. I just wrapped each one in like a different one. And I also put the shredded paper inside. I like mixed up white and brown. And then now I'm just adding a bow to this one. But before, I'm just going to tie this little ribbon as well. So this next basket actually has a whole bunch of things. So I think it is a little bit over $10, but it is super cute, super worth it. At the dollar store, they have a whole kitchen section, and it has a whole bunch of cute little like miniature like utensils. The basket that I'm using is this little basket that I got in the like container section. So the items that we're going to use to fill up the basket are little mini kisses, this little milk chocolate truffles, and then also cookies, and then this is a cookie mix that so they can make it, and then also these. So I'm just gonna set it up with you guys really quickly so then we can just end this video off. Next, I'm just going to show you guys how I made these cute little like candy lollipop sock things, and they're super cute. They look like little candy minced, I think. I did it the other day, so I'm just going to show you guys really quickly how I did that. And yeah, I'm going to, I don't know if I should open this or should I just fold it up. I'm just going to do this so they know it's new. I'm actually just going to open it, whatever. I'll let them know I didn't use it. Okay, Vaseline in there, like this, make it into like a little roll, and then you can grab any rubber band. I'm just gonna use a hair elastic because that's all I have, and put it around just to secure everything together. Super cute. Okay, so what I did is I grabbed the big paper bag that I use to do the gift bags, and I just cut it so I can use it over here. So what we're gonna do is just scrunch it up here and just tie them on the end. Okay, and then what you can do is grab a little ribbon and just put it on the sides. This is the end result. I don't know if I like the yarn look or if I like this. I feel like the color just didn't look well, and also like the white one didn't look that pretty either. So I just put the brown yarn, but super cool. I have the chapstick inside and it just looks like a little lollipop. You can add this with a gift card or anything like that. But that is it for today's video. I hope you guys enjoyed and found it helpful. I just wanted to say that you guys do not need to spend so much money on Christmas gifts. These are way more thoughtful and way more meaningful, I feel like, to a person. So like a car, like the car thing. If that person takes care of their car, I feel like it's just so much more meaningful than buying them like a, I don't know, a gift card or something. Like it's so much more meaningful to them and way helpful for you, for your pocket, for your wallet, all of that. So I mean, you're saving money and you're also like putting more thought into it. So I just feel like it's more meaningful for the person that is receiving the gift. Before you guys go shopping and doing all of these things, make sure you go to the dollar store and check out their like different sections of things, and I'm pretty sure you guys can find something. I just wanted to make this video to help you guys save a lot of money this year and also make some cute, meaningful gifts to somebody. Yeah, that is it for today's video. I hope you guys liked it and I hope you guys found it helpful. Please like, subscribe, and comment down below any other video ideas if you guys want me to do more of these like cute dollar store finds. I don't know, but don't forget to turn on the post notification bell to be notified whenever I post a new video, which will be tomorrow. Thank you guys so much for watching. Love you guys.